Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to build rooms in Elder Scrolls Castles. To build rooms, click here on building, then click on rooms, and now you can build a room by choosing room, then clicking anywhere you want to place it, like that. You can also do a partition like that. Partition is free and rooms cost as many as they cost depending on the level you are on. Here is my partition. I've done this this floor, and you can also build stairs like that. And now I'm done. I can click on X and the room has been built. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.